welcome to my new video. And in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can keep password in your folder and keep it safe from others to open it. As you can see here, I have kept folder in this folder. This you can see it is encrypted folder, and if I try to open it, it will ask me a password. If I enter password, then it will gonna open. Likewise guys, if I'll try to extract it also, it will ask me the password. Let's click OK. It will ask me the password. So guys, I'll tell you in this video how you can keep password in your folder to keep it safe and secure. So let's get started.
Those doors, I'm a fool for your love.
First of all, what you need to do is you just go in your browser and type download WinRAR, and download WinRAR from, you can simply download from here. And from here you can simply download it from here. You can use free trial version also, no need to buy it. So I have already downloaded, so I'll not download it, I'll cancel this. So after downloading it, you just install it, run the setup process, and after all, when it will be installed, then what you do is, suppose let's create a folder. You just create a folder which you want to lock, and add to archive and set password and encrypt file name. Set password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Click OK and click OK, and let's delete this and this encrypted folder we have, and let's try to open this. Look, it's asking us password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, if you enter right password, it will open. If you enter wrong password, suppose 000909099, suppose anything, and if you click OK, then incorrect, it will error, it will give. So in this way you can simply keep password, and if you someone will try to extract it also, it will ask the password. So guys, simply in this way you can save your data. So thanks for watching, hope you like the video, like our channel, like our video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.